So, this concept of silence and its benefits, what are they? Well, number one, the benefits of silence and participating and practicing in it throughout your day can reduce stress. And in our world today, in this fast paced, chaotic environment, sometimes taking time out, even 90 seconds, 2 minutes, put a timer on if you have to, for yourself in silence, in contemplation, you allow your body to relax, to release that stress. And another benefit is increased self awareness because silent helps us become more aware of our thoughts and emotions without judgment or distraction. 2 minutes, if you have 2 minutes throughout the day. This awareness gives us greater insight into who we truly are at our core, at our foundation. And another benefit is increased focus. Get silent, and then clarity comes, increased focus comes. When we quiet our minds through silent, we can better concentrate at the task, on this task at hand, and achieve greater levels of this productivity, things produced by being silent and not moving. Seems contradictory or counterintuitive, doesn't it? However, another benefit is enhanced creativity because silence allows us to tap into our innermost creative space by freeing ourselves from external distractions and allowing new ideas to flow in. And then we have improved emotional well being through silence. Regular periods of silence can help us connect with our inner, deeper emotions and develop a deeper sense of self awareness. You build and develop a relationship with this silence within you, leading to improved mental health and better sleep quality. Who doesn't want that benefit, right? Because silence provides an opportunity for introspection. Incorporating moments of silence before bed can help calm the mind and promote better sleep quality. Science has shown this. And another benefit, as we increase self reflection, silence provides an opportunity for introspection, helping us reflect on our thoughts. What am I saying yes to? What do I need to say no to? And then our actions and our beliefs, we can reprogram those beliefs that no longer serve, and we discover those beliefs through self reflection. And then we are able to create these positive changes in our lives. And then heightened spiritual awareness is another benefit of silence. Many spiritual practices incorporate silence as a means of connecting with higher consciousness or divine energy. Close the mouth, open up the ears, and open up the inner ears. And this heightened spiritual awareness really does connect with this higher consciousness, whatever you call it, source, divine energy, Christ consciousness, whatever that is for you, you are connecting with it. It's the nameless. And then we benefit through silence with improved relationships by cultivating inner peace. And that's my true self. That's my true nature as a manifester, peace. My not self is anger. And when I improve my relationship with myself and this energy being, I improve all of my relationships. And by cultivating this inner peace, this inner knowing through regular periods of silence, we are more equipped to handle the conflicts that arise. and be able to communicate effectively in our relationships. And so, by aligning with your unique human design through regular times, practice of silent contemplation, you will discover new depths within yourself while experiencing these life changing benefits. And you have to experience them firsthand for yourself because silence enables us to listen more deeply to ourselves and others. We improve communication skills in relationships. Incorporating regular periods of silence into your daily life through meditation or whatever it is you choose can lead to profound changes. And silence by design, if you are a generator energy type. Now, again, I'm going to say disclaimer. These are just surface observations for the energy types and silence. Take what resonates with you and leave the rest. Because again, I say this again and again, there is so much information out there. This is the time to take something that resonates with you and then implement it. Okay.